Health and Wellness Center, inaugurated in Ward 11, Kohima, June 21st, 2025. In a significant boost to urban healthcare services, the Health and Wellness Center Subcenter, HWC-SC PWD, was formally inaugurated at Ward 11 Kohima today. The center, constructed under the National Health Mission, NHM, aims to provide quality primary healthcare services to the local population, free of cost. The inaugural ceremony was graced by Dr. Sailhutuo Rutso, Honorable MLA of the 9th Kohima Town Assembly constituency, as the special guest. Addressing the gathering, Dr. Rutso lauded the initiative and emphasized the importance of accessible and preventive healthcare services in urban localities. He suggested the installation of a free will donation box to support the maintenance of the center and recommended displaying the contact number of a medical officer for emergency cases. Also speaking at the event, Dr. Lemnyu Konyak, Chief Medical Officer, CMO of Kohima, highlighted the government's commitment to community healthcare and affirmed that all services provided at the center would be free, based on the principle of voluntary community contribution. The Health and Wellness Center, SC, has a long history of service in the locality. Initially established in the early 1970s as a PWD dispensary, it was later upgraded to Chonmari Subcenter in 2001 and subsequently converted to a Health and Wellness Center in April 2019. The current facility was constructed and completed in the financial year 2024 to 2025 under NHM support. The center is presently staffed with 1. Community Health Officer, CHO, 1. Auxiliary Nurse Midwife, ANM, 1. DI, 6 Medical Attendants, 3. Accredited Social Health Activists, ASHAs. It provides comprehensive primary health care, CPHC, services across 12 key areas, including maternal and child care, adolescent health, family planning, communicable and non-communicable disease management, basic oral and mental health care, elderly services, and emergency trauma care. Additionally, the center offers 106 essential medicines and 14 diagnostic services free of cost, supported by essential medical equipment as per government norms. The event began with a dedicatory prayer by Reverend Kayepu Asumi, pastor of NCSRC, Kohima, followed by the unveiling of the inaugural plaque. The program was chaired by Limuga Lohe, Community Health Officer, while the welcome address was delivered by Mezathil Toso, Chairman of the Urban Health Committee. The vote of thanks was proposed by Mei Sanglier, Chairman of the Lower PWD Panchayat. The program concluded with a benediction by Dr. S.N. Amang, pastor of Kaba.
Dedicated health workers, well-wishers, and ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for being a part of this program. Your presence means a lot to us today. Without further delay, let me now read out the order of the program. Welcome address by Shri Mezathil Toso, Chairman, Urban Health Committee, PWD, which will be followed by a short presentation. Next, speech by Dr. Lemnyu Konyak, Chief Medical Officer, Kohima, followed by our special guest, our Honorable MLA Sir. Now I give time to Shri Mezathil Toso to deliver a welcome address.
First of all, I thank Almighty members. Welcome to our honorable. In spite of your heavy engagement, our newly constructed Health and Wellness Center, Dr. Lemnyu Konyak and his staff to create this inauguration function. My thanks goes to Health and Family Welfare Department, especially NHM and 15th Finance Commission for funding this building. My thanks and welcome to both the contractors for making this big building of a successful one.
I would also like to request our CMO, Dr. Lemni Konyak, and Deputy CMO, Dr. Inchato Shi, and PMC Ward 11 Councillor, Shri Nikozan Deskodo, to kindly stand and receive a warm appreciation, graciously accepting our humble tokens. Now,
Invitation to the residents of the lower PWD for the successful inauguration of Urban Health Center building and also the upgradation of the sub-center into Health and Wellness Center. I'm extremely grateful to Honorable MLA and a special guest of today's program, Dr. Chirito Rizzo, who is popularly known as Dr. Ato, for gracing this auspicious, remarkable and historic milestone inauguration of Lower PWD Urban Health Center, building and upgradation of Health and Wellness Center. The Department of Health and Family Welfare and the people of 9 Kohima AC are indeed fortunate to represent policy-making body by a well-known and well-qualified and experienced leaders who can bring more development in the field of medical infrastructure and development. Also, we really thank our Honorable MLA for taking such an initiative for the successful completion of this building, as well as not only here but in all the 8 centers, sub-centers, urban sub-centers in the Kohima city. So taking this opportunity, I would like to express my sincere thanks and appreciation to the leaders, the community leaders, for your constant support and cooperation towards the Department of Health and Family Welfare. We all know that this sub-center was born as a dispensary in the year early 70s. After that, it was again converted, upgraded into sub-center level in 2001. And after that, this sub-center has been converted from sub-center to Health and Wellness Center in 2019. So these are the progressive type of development that has been taken place in our ward. So starting was dispensary, now is the Health and Wellness Center. Health and Wellness Center is nothing but just above the sub-center and just below the primary health center. The only thing is there's a lack of medical officers. Otherwise, Health and Wellness Center is being headed by CHO, that is Community Health Officer. Community Health Officer is not just a mere staff nurse. She undergone a 6 months intensive bridge course, and she has been trained properly in all the basic health services. So that's why I encourage and appeal all of you to avail all the services that is available in this health center. Secondly, now from the dispensary to the Health and Wellness Center, we have 10 staffs in place, including 3 ASAs. Now, only when this health center is upgraded to Health and Wellness, primary health center, then more facility will come, more manpower will come. That is solely depend on the participations of the community leaders. That is what I want to tell all of you. See, this Health and Wellness Center has got, yade amikan logode 12 packages ase service. Apnikan paboli laga. Ki paboli ase itu 12 packages ase. 12 services ase. Apnikan sob itu avail kuru parile. Sob basic service ki ase. Itu kan tu sob itu health center de ase de. Itu community bra jani bole itu koi ase. Kile mane ama naga manu do bisi manu Naga hospital de jabo lage, tade jaile he bhal hobo. Noile private hospital damode jabo lage, tade so pabo itu no hai. To thik ase, facility hisab de amikan Naga hospital jabo lage, tade something like major operation ki lage ase, tade jabole right ase. Pole bi amikan the basic ki ase, itu kan do sob yade ase do. Kile bahar de jaine kuribo lage. Itu bra moi etia moi appeal korado ami la community manukan yade ward manukan kiman ase apna kan be itu jani lobi etia we are fortunate to have our honorable MLA with us. Then we used to have a sharing some time back also that etia ami Nagaland de government laga service to kinika jai ase. So if the people are willing to come to the government setup hospital and government hospital and government school de pabole admission pabole nimide tan ase na itu nisna huse gole our Naga people have changed and then our Naga the government has changed itu kobole ase to ami honorable MLA bi itu bhalbra jani ase 18 ami kan Nagaland de itu Naga hospital like government hospital de jabole ami kan ticket bi napai tade bed na pai na madla I want to go to the Naga hospital. I want to be treated in the government hospital. I want to study in a government school. Itu laga mentality de kitia pongchibona ami Naga manukan. Itu nimide itu hobo nimide do ami kan laga community members kan yade taha ami kan bra interest logine participate korigine ami kan health center do agide lo jabo nimide moi itu be janai di ase aro yade apne kan logate koa nisna mokan of the 12 services takakando itu kan ase itia care of the pregnant and childbirth itia ma kan kiman manu pregnant hoy ase starting from the conception to the delivery yade hobole ami kan try kori ase itia antenatal check up kan sob kori ase holibi itia delivery koribo nimide yade labor room be already digine ase labor table already ase aru infrastructure development kurbo nimide ama department manukan bi bisi kosis kori ase itu nimide to ma aru pacha kan laga facility ki treatment dibole ase itu kan sob jadi pari jabo koine itu bi janai di ase aru itu opode pacha kan adolescent health itu kan family planning aru screening of the NCD laga screening bi sob jadi pari jabo the pressure problem bishe ase diabetes problem bishe ase cancer problem ase etu kan sob to yede screen pro paribo that is what I assure all of you kile mane ami kan yede sa time de when I'm conducting this medical board for the confirmation of the service especially government services taka manukan moi 100 tests kora time de more than 80 of them are hypertension that is silent hypertension itu lagi ni asde itu nimide itu apne kan la doorstep de taka health center BP check kuro parebo diabetes check kuro parebo kile itu service to apne kan avail ne kore moi itu I want to encourage all of you to come and avail the service in your doorstep. No, you don't need to go to the Hi-Fi hospital to get tested your BP and this diabetes. Itu kan ki basic ase itu kan sob yade ami kan health center paribole ase de bugene itu be janai dia ase hoy itu private hospital hole bi Naga hospital man all of better equipped facility takibo pare tadi na jabi kwala kota no hoy hole bi tade jaili to ami kan out of pocket expenditure bisi hoi jai yade to everything will be free of course ase ইটো কৰি কিনে ইয়াতে নাপাৰা কি আছে ইয়াতে CHO পৰা মিলাই কিনে কিমান ষ্টাফ আছে তাই কান পৰা কোন জায়গাতে যাইলে ভাল হ'ব ইটো বি তাই কান পৰা হি ৰিফ্ৰেক্ট কৰি দিব ইটো নিমিতে আপুনি খান সব মানুহ ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ হস্পিটেল খান দে ফাৰ্ষ্ট নাযায় কিনে এতিয়া বেছিক কম্প্ৰিহেনচিভ প্ৰাইমেৰী হেল্থ কেয়াৰ সাৰ্ভিসেছ তো ইয়াতে ইটো হেল্থ health and wellness center de sob ase de koine itu apni kange janai dia ase itu bra lastly I thank all the especially the elders of this colony and youth will be aru panchayat will be ami yade aha time de ami bahar bra itu health center sa time de dikha do apni kan ode cooperation bishi ase apni kan laga sense of belonging and sense of responsibility bishi ase koine ami itu bujibo pare itu bra apne kan la constant moikhan department logote kiman cooperation dia ase moikhan department logote kiman ami kan logote modot korise itu kan nimide ami bishi khushi paise aha laga tin dibi itu health center to khali itu health and wellness center eklam no hegene upgrade korigene primary health center CSC tak uthabole nimide itu kan do apne kan la hate ase de kogene moi itu bi apne hige janai dia ase oi ja ande apne kan kunba খুশি না পা কই থাকিলে বিয়া তো মাফ করিবি আর লবলে একটা দুইটা থাকিলে এটো আমি গান একি রদে লই যাব দে কই কিনে আমি লাস্ট এটো কই দিয়া আছে থ্যাংক ইউ
Thank you so much, Sesh, and also highlighting the role of health center in strengthening community care. Now I invite our Honorable MLA, Dr. Sylvia Chorito, to kindly take the time.
Health and Wellness Center itu. Apni khan youth khan colony leaders khan apni laga dedication apni laga cooperation na thakile paribole laga nohoy aru at the same time aji ami ala CMO ke bhi thanks dibole do knowing the two existing building, one side panchayat, one side health. Ajikile enaga hoilebi amela CMO han acha kori kina menge. Purbo parishe bole capital de enaga gor ekta enaga health center ta kuli bole mati ite bisarbe bole. The cost of the land will be more than the cost of the project. Itu karne aji itu difficulties bi jani kina allow kori karne CMO ke bi thanks dia ase. Aru colony manu bi from the beginning till completion apni khan mundi gine kam saidia aro kam pura manangi bi security aro companionship tangi bi milai gine kilo de complete kura do bishi khushi paise ami ala semo ite ko anisna ek din itu aro upgrade kori gine PHC banabole apni la hate ase ko do bishi mano bujibo bishi mano na bujibo pare যদি আমি লাগা CHO বড়া একদিন দে 20-30 মানুষ আহি কেনে BP চাই একদিন দে 20-30 মানুষ আহি কেনে ব্লাড সুগার চাই একদিন দে 3-4জন আহি কেনে ইমিউনাইজেশন লয় মইনা দে একটা দুটা ডেলিভারি আহি থাকে আপুনি যদি এইটো ৰিপৰ্ট খান দিব পাৰিছে বলে তো এইটো তো ডক্টৰ লাগি যাব তো সো ইনডাইৰেক্টলি PHC হ'ব তো কোৱাছ PHC হ'ব লাগে তো কোৱাছ তো কাৰণে আপুনি লাহাতে আছে বলে এইটো কোৱাছে দে अपनी खान चलाओ पारिशे बोले PHC हो अपनी खान चलाओ ना जानले तो statistics तो लो होले तो इतिहास की नगा से नगा तक अरु दूसरा एक ता अभी अल्लाह CMO बाकुशे everything free that is very good only be मैं अपनी खान जारो को बोले मुंडो and also to tell the CS also any free will donation box इतार की भी नीचे service दे अरु any free will or even a transparent box where you can see through. Ina kore ine free will donation box rakhi. Kumba aigine injection luche, kushi pale 10 taka bhi dibina, 100 bhi dibina. Kumba aigine TT injection luche, kushi pale dibina. Ito han sob to ito center laga further management, self sustenance pari bole. Sugar saisi bole to 50 bhi dibina, 100 bhi dibina kushi pale. Natali na dibi ko no free kushi to free as ko no hai. Bole apni dia do therapy no hai. अपनी दिया दो for maintenance of the center. अजी अपनी ये जब बड़ा टैक्सी तालो इना ओकिंग जाओ कोई मा नागा सुनने जाओ बोले तो टैक्सी फेयर भी नौको दे दे 50 टका 10 टका गिरे जाए Sometimes, not only expecting from the government, but let us also contribute to the government also, so that it functions better. Aji, Amigan Health Center, itu ekala noy, itebi dosar jaga charta bi in our constituency 9 Kohima town de dosar itebi charta jase, aro another 8, one in northern Angabi one de ase, one in western Angabi, 2 in western constituency de. Kohima urban area de 8 bana ase, tada 5 ta amela constituency de ase. Itia ekta hoise, aro charta jase. I'm trying my best to tell all the contractors that health lagado tik tak banai dibi. Kurina men kuri ase. I'm sure out of the 8, 5 will be much better than 3. I can assure you. Tinta do manala constituency da ase. Ula pansa da mela ase. Amian itu pansa do manubar bal hobo bene mo itu bisos ase. Aro amian CMO. Itabi tai ways and means bisare kene bana upor dibi aru bi bal guru le tai ways and means bisare ase mo jane ase. Ito an aro hile mili kene if we need further extension, if we need better instruments, better facilities, ami ani to ami so ikilo de invest kori kene jako. Aro aji apne la center to khuli leshe, it belongs to you. Apne balbar cholabi aro even to the CHO, it's just a suggestion. Try to keep the phone numbers of any doctors nearby, be it government doctor, be it private doctor. Try to keep the MO's number of maybe Bethel, Kohimas, or maybe Oking Hospital, or anyone, just in case you need. Because 5 minutes to punchi jabo. Amian judi ade kumba injury ise logine tiaro hila bole digdar, we can always come and give service. Keep the number of the CMO under the doctor's number. We can always help each other. Ito karne either doctor na ibn munchoton hobi treatment lobby anytime if our service is required. I'm sure at least out of many doctors in Kohima town action do service bole do paribo ai bole paribo ni tu janai ase. Aji, amian laga properties kan, amian la CMO kwanis na. We often discuss about policies in our state. Amila bacha do class 5 de dibula takesile vacancy na ho government school de. Class 9 de dibula takesile vacancy na ho enaga time eta hi man khushi hola. Kino khushi hola. Kini me teachers and sob qualifications side do. Much more qualified, paid much better than private teachers. Will be private, the killer issue was. Aji, I mean, bago again, maybe I mean teachers on like sincerity kung kaya sanagi, but at the same time, public government set up trust na kuya lagi lagi. Ito ni sina hospitals sambi, American service ball chula. The statistics, the record that is put into the register will speak for upgradation of your own centers and more facilities may right. Aji, with this inauguration and to further improve, it will all depend on how you use the service and how the authority can recommend your needs in the near future. Thank you so much for having me here and wish the people of PWD better health and better life. Thank you so much.
That is vote of thanks by Shri Mihi Sangir, Chairman, Lower PWD Panchayat, who has always been a pillar of support in our community efforts.
Our Loni, our area, we made an important take us. The garden, and we can so Jisurgi, Bravo Jisurgi, Dhanyabad.
I sincerely thank each one of you for your valuable presence and participation. We now invite everyone to kindly join us for the lunch. Have a pleasant evening.
오, 진짜.